Hi, it's Matt Stonecash, Plastics Technology. In our October issue, we look at extended producer responsibility. On July 1st of this year, Oregon's EPR program took effect. At the heart of all of this is the concept that producers of packaged products share in the burden of managing discarded packaging after use. So first we need to know, what is a producer? In Oregon, a producer could be a brand owner that manufactures a packaged product or directs the manufacture of the packaged product through a contract relationship. It could also be a licensee of a brand who is manufacturing that product. The intention is to put the fee on the entity that's making packaging decisions. If this does not apply to anyone in the US, then it would be whoever is importing that product. These producers are all required to register with a producer responsibility organization, that's PRO. They could have many to select from, but in Oregon at present, the Circular Action Alliance just happens to be the only one. The PRO in Oregon has shared financial responsibility. That means that it pays to reimburse municipalities that expand their recycling infrastructure. This contrasts with other EPR programs where they might have full financial responsibility. This is the case with Colorado. It's based on a full reimbursement model. And so they would cover all the cost of managing those covered materials. These reimbursements come from fees placed on packaging on a per pound basis that are paid into the PRO. Setting these fees takes into account what the cost of managing the covered material is, and also principle that a easily recycled material will have a lower fee than something that is not so easily recycled. And we can see with the draft base fee schedule that a pigmented PET bottle would have a very different fee than a clear or natural PET bottle. Of course, producers can reduce their payments by lightweighting, switching formats, or if their format they're using gets on the universal acceptance list. This is the list of products that will be accepted by all of the recycling programs in Oregon. Another way producers can reduce their fees is by bonuses that are available for submitting life cycle assessment data. Additional bonuses available if they can take actions and show that they're effective in reducing the environmental impacts of that packaging format. One of the chief aims of this program is to expand access to convenient recycling by 150,000 homes. This is by expanding the curbside collection and also the network of recycling drop-off depots in Oregon. So this program is heavily focused on the supply of recycled materials. Investments in infrastructure and education are expected to increase supply, decrease contamination, and it's possible that just by the quality that will increase demand. But there's very little in the way of recycled content minimums, which have been used as a way of shoring up demand in other places. So I think we'll be watching very closely to see how that works and what it means for this program and for future programs. Even though this program is launched, it's live now, it's still likely to change as time goes on. There are also 6 other states that have passed EPR legislation and 3 that are conducting needs assessments toward establishing that kind of a program. So it'll be very interesting to see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and for more about recycling and plastics technology, visit ptonline.com.